Welcome to my channel, guys. This is my first scuba dive in Indonesia, Bali, Lajin Beach, and I thought I'll share this experience with you all. Um, I guess I was a bit nervous and excited at the same time when I bought the package. So the package cost me around 140 US dollars, and which he gave us four activities, I suppose. One was a jet ski, snorkeling, parasailing, and the scuba diving was the last one that I'm doing and showing you guys. Um, so so I think the prize wasn't that expensive. Thought I'll share that with you guys as well. If you do happen to go to Bali for similar experience, you may be able to find a cheaper deal. And please do let me know in the comment if you do. Um, however, this is what it costed me. So I think the excitement sort of kicked in when what the wetsuits and masks and fin and snorkels. I guess the excitement and, and nervousness was sort of I was feeling the same. But I guess the instructor would they've sort of went through the safety and checked all the equipments and which is sort of gave you the comfort, and this is me trying to struggle. um, and look, once we got to the boat and when we sort of start to go down, and there was a ladder. I'm not sure if you've noticed. If you sort of scroll back, you'll see there's a ladder. We sort of climbed down to that ladder, and they sort of did mention that that you will feel pressure in your ears when you're going down, and I must admit, I felt quite a bit of pressure, and when I was going down, even they tell you to go really slow, and I was quite slow, but I felt a bit of pressure, and I think I was a little bit nervous at the same time too, and I decided to go back up as I just couldn't bear the pain in my ears. So I went back up and calmed myself down a little bit, and then went back down. So this is the that recording now, of course. And the instructor was quite nice, and he's obviously with us. And yeah, he was the one sort of guiding where to go and which direction to go to, and he's using my GoPro to record this video, which is really nice of him. And the friend of mine, he sort of joined the experience as well with me. And look, it was really good to I guess the scenery and the marine life and to see all that. Uh, it was something different, I guess. And look, the instructor told us, we were going down the water between 8 to 10 meters, and I mean, it's hard to tell if it was, but you were quite a down, obviously, and it's quite a sunny day. On that particular day, the day we were diving, and I guess the hardest part was just breathing through your mouth, as you can't breathe through your nose, and I guess I just came from snorkeling, so we did a bit of snorkeling prior to coming to scuba. So it was a little bit easier, as the scuba is very similar. You'll just have to breathe through to your mouth. So it was good, and they give you instructions, some sign languages to tell you if you're good or if you need to go back up, or whatever the issues are. If there's issue with your snorkels and goggles, and I think my friend might have had a bit of issue, and he just sort of adjusted those goggles, and he's fine, seems to be. And and well, we just I guess viewing the sea life. But coming to scuba, prior to that, we were just doing a snorkeling, and the current was really strong, and it was it was getting a bit tiring, to be honest. Uh, but it was still a worth an experience, and just trying to I guess feed the fishes there. And I hope um, that I'm sharing the experience where you have experienced the dive as well and didn't get a chance to record. That might refresh your memories. Or if you haven't done a scuba dive, and I hope they wish that you get to experience that as well. It is quite an experience. But if you don't, well, this is what it looks like, and this is what you actually see. And yeah, we had the other option to go to another beach as well, which we didn't had it enough time. We were just doing different other activities. And here me managed to find the jet ski under the water. I was trying to sit on it, and I think it's a bit of struggle when you sort of swimming, I guess, in the water. But I managed to sit down. And and I really hope that you do like my video, and I really invite you guys to comment on this video, and please do subscribe to my excuse me, my YouTube channel, and that'll just give me a motivation to share my other experiences and my and the I guess it'll give you a bit of motivation to upload more videos as well. And but this was something I think really unique for me anyway, and I thought I really will share that with all of you viewer out there. And I've managed to test my GoPro in the water, so and it's seems to be working. Not advertising GoPro here, but it seems to be working. And all that the noise that you guys hear in the water, that's all real noise in the water recorded by GoPro. And so it's not any background music or anything like that. And I thought I'll leave that to I guess the sound as well, so you guys can I guess hear that what's like inside or in the water, I should say. So it was about I think about 15 minutes of dive, 10 to 15 minutes of dive for the overall experience. And we sort of now heading back to our boat. Um, and we managed to find another, looks like a jet ski. Or in fact, it is a jet ski. So look, it was overall in Bali. Look, it was some of these activities was this particular activities was cheap, but some of the other activities wasn't as cheap as I thought it might be. But yeah, it's still cheap as compared to some of the other, I guess, Western countries. So yeah, if you do have the opportunity to go to Bali in Indonesia, you may be able to explore some of these if that's what you like to do. And yeah, so there was quite a few temples. We ended up doing some of the rafting and I guess there's a lot of water activities you can do in Bali if that's what you guys enjoy, or if you like to experience something different. Um, this is sort of the end of the videos, I guess. I just want to share this, so thank you very much, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate that. And this is just about to finish this video. You'll see I'll go back to the ladder to climb back up, um, and I guess thank you very much again, and till my next video, thank you again, and we'll see you soon.